What is so special about it, Lita? We will use a lot of cheese, so the spaghetti will be so creamy.
Wow, amazing!
Okay, let's get started. First, I will show you the ingredients. We have pasta, nori, margarine, salt, black pepper, maizena and cheese, vegetable oil, garlic, chicken powder, onion, milk, mineral water, smoked beef, and parsley.
Now we will boil the water. Meanwhile, we will chop the garlic and onions.
Now I will put the pasta to the pan.
I will prepare the beef.
I think it's enough, so I will separate the pasta from the water. Now I will put the pasta to the ice water to stop the cooking process. Now I will make the sauce. So first I will take the margarine to the pan.
Then I will put the beef. Then I will put chicken powder and black pepper.
Now I will put the maizena.
And the last, I will put the cheese.
We have drained the water from the pasta, and now the sauce is ready. I will mix it.
Then we will continue to cook it. This is looking good.
Yeah, I think it's enough. Let's put it on the plate.
Now we will put the nori and the garnish. Now the spaghetti carbonara is ready to be served. Yay!